Hey everybody, what's going on? I'm just going to do a quick unboxing. Been kind of waiting for this one. This is my CGC graded copy of Joe Frankenstein. So you can see this is from Compass Comics right here. So let's just get into it. Helps if you turn the blade the right way. Lovely packing. All right, there it is. Very well packed. Very well packed. Yeah, I had to get this because it's awesome, and also because I don't know if I'm ever going to see Chuck Dixon get a signature, so this is a cool way to do it. There it is, beautiful. 9.8, signed by Chuck, signed by Graham. If you haven't, I don't think you can get these anymore, but I think you can pick up your Joe Frankenstein 1 and part 2. So I would go check that out. But thanks Graham. Thanks, Julie. Thanks, Chuck. Really appreciate that. We will talk to you guys on the next one. Thanks.